How to turn off group ads on Instagram. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to stop strangers or unknown people from adding you to group chats on Instagram using iOS or Android. For this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. However, if you're having an Android device, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So first of all, what you're going to do is open your Instagram application, and then you're going to click on your profile at the bottom right. And here you'll be redirected to your profile. So what you're going to do is click on these three horizontal lines at the top right, and then you will be redirected to settings and activity. So scroll down till you find the option of how others can interact with you. Then click on messages and story replies. And here you're going to click on message requests. And over here you're going to click on group chats, who can add you to group chats. And here you can see that it is enabled on everyone on Instagram, but if you wish to turn off group ads, you could click on this one, that is only people you follow on Instagram. So only the people you follow or have messaged before can add you to group chats. So that is basically how you can turn off group ads on Instagram for strangers or unknown people. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.